Hi, today we're talking about web hosting and domain expenses. So this template is particularly helpful to keep track of all the web hosting expenses which you are incurring. So as you can see, we have got a database at the bottom which lists the domain over here at the very first. You can put your own domain names over here. Then we have got client names, the vendor, the type of the hosting which we are using, the cost, the billing frequency, renewal date, and the status. Okay, so you can utilize this database to keep track of all the information, or you can even add more columns to this to add more details for your use case. Up against this, we have a summary section at the top which shows three things: active infrastructure, client owned service, billing cycle. If you see the active infrastructure, what we are doing is we are filtering the status as active mode. So all the status which you can see under active mode, it is visible over here. Then we have client owned service. So for client owned service, what we have is if the client is not empty. So if this client column is not empty, that is being reflected over here for all the services that we can see. Then we have the billing cycle. So any monthly, yearly billings are visible over here for each of this expense. Obviously, you can make more views over here. Like let's say, suppose you want to see the hosting related, like the vendor related, all the expenses. So what you can do is you can create another view. So let me duplicate this, and you can type out by vendor. Okay, and what you can see is just put this under the table mode of the visibility, and make sure you can group this as per the different vendors. So let me choose the vendor from here. So now what you can see is you can see different vendors and you can see the related expenses as per that. Okay, so all these things are particularly customizable and helpful for a use case. You can work according to that and make changes or whatever you wish to do so. So that's it for the web hosting and domain expenses demonstration. And if you have any questions or queries, you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to take up any queries for your use case. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion database for the same. It can also generate single PDF documents for a use case. So click on Create PDF for free, and you can have single PDF and multiple PDF. Under single PDF, you can create quick PDFs utilizing Notion page, for which I've added the video at the bottom. Under multiple PDF, you have the option of generating more than one PDF document, and you have a video to watch at the bottom which can help you do so. So for this, you can obviously read the instructions on each side. So for single PDF, I've added instructions. For multiple PDF, also I've added the instructions of how you can do that. So let me know what you think of this, and I'll be happy to take up any queries or questions which you might have. So do reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to take up any issues. You can obviously use the contact section at the bottom where I will be able to get in touch with you with any questions which you might have, and I'll be happy to assist you with any of the problems. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead, guys. Bye bye.